Hello, this is SlowMoRewind. Today I'm going to be lock picking. I was about to say pick locking, which is not a word, but anyways, I'm going to be lock picking this Sentry safe 1100. I don't know what that means, but anyways, I'm going to start. Be using my Hayoshi tools. Single pick. It's pretty deep, but I gotta tension it this way, and I'm gonna begin now. There we go. Shouldn't take that long. There we go, and it's open. And just to show you that nothing was going on there, I'm gonna put my tension rod back in. Lock it back. It's locked. I'll do it one more time, just for demonstration purposes. If I can get it back in there. No. It's hard to do it from this angle where I'm working the camera. There we go. Now, let's see if I can do it again. Just gotta get that in there. And there you go. Well, that's been all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.